Tips for boosting your Facebook Marketplace sales. Are you ready to elevate your selling game on Facebook Marketplace? Here are some additional insights to help you stand out and attract more buyers. Understand your audience. To sell effectively, you need to know who your audience is. Take some time to analyze the types of buyers on Facebook Marketplace. Are they looking for items like vintage clothing, electronics, or furniture? Tailoring your listings to what your local market is interested in can lead to quicker sales. Craft eye-catching titles. Your title is the first thing potential buyers will see. Make it count. Use descriptive and appealing words to capture attention. Instead of just "sofa for sale," try "stylish beige sofa, great condition." This small tweak can make your listing more attractive and drive more clicks. High-quality photos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and when it comes to selling online, it's especially true. Take high-quality photos in good lighting to showcase your items. Use multiple angles and close-ups to give buyers a clear view. Remember, items that look good in photos are more likely to sell. Provide detailed descriptions. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted description. Be honest and thorough in your listings. Include dimensions, brand, condition, and any flaws. This transparency builds trust with potential buyers and can lead to faster transactions. Set competitive prices. Research similar items on Marketplace to gauge appropriate pricing. Setting your price too high can deter buyers, while pricing too low may lead to loss in potential profit. Aim for a competitive price point that attracts buyers without undervaluing your items. Utilize Facebook groups. Consider joining local buy and sell groups on Facebook. These groups can expand your reach and connect you with more potential buyers. Engaging with group members and participating in discussions can also boost your credibility as a seller. Be responsive. Quick responses can be the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. Aim to respond to inquiries promptly. Use the Messenger app to communicate with interested buyers and provide additional information. Being friendly and approachable can encourage them to complete the purchase. Promote your listings. Don't shy away from promoting your listings. Share your marketplace posts on your personal Facebook page and invite friends to check out your items. You can also ask them to share your listing to increase its visibility. The more eyes on your item, the more likely it is to sell. Create an engaging profile. Your profile can impact a buyer's decision. Make sure your profile is engaging and professional. A clear profile picture, a well-written bio, and positive reviews can help build trust with potential buyers. Follow up after sales. After completing a sale, follow up with the buyer. A simple thank you message can leave a good impression. If they had a positive experience, they might consider recommending you to others or returning for future purchases. Analyze your sales metrics. Keep track of your sales data over time. Which items sold the quickest? Which ones didn't? Understanding these metrics can help you refine your approach and improve future listings. Remember, success on Facebook Marketplace doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort, but with these tips in your toolkit, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful seller. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.